So, welcome to the online classes. Up to now, we have discussed the performance of short transmission line and a medium transmission line by using impedance method. Simple impedance method in a short transmission line and medium transmission line. But in medium transmission line, impedance method can be divided into three methods. Those are end condenser method, nominal T method, nominal pi method. But this impedance method is not an accurate method. Is that so? To avoid this problem, we are going to discuss about an accurate method to analyze the performance of transmission lines. Is that accurate method is ABCD parameters help method. Is that by using ABCD parameters, we can analyze the performance of transmission lines. How? Means if we can observe ABCD parameters, we are already discussed in electrical circuits. These ABCD parameters are also called as transmission line parameters. Why we are called these are transmission line parameters means these parameters are used to analyze the performance of transmission lines. So, transmission of power from generating unit to distributing units can be done through the transmission line. Absolutely. So, during transmission, many losses occur in the transmission line with the decrease the efficiency of line. Due to line losses, efficiency takes place in the line. For improving the efficiency of a transmission line, the lines are designed with appropriate values of parameters, transmission line parameters. Is that right? So those appropriate values of parameters can be determined with the help of a two-port networks analysis, two-port network analysis. So what is a two-port network? Transmission line can be treated as a two-port network and carried the analysis of ABCD parameters and justify the performance of transmission line. So if that performance is suitable, then we can design, we can construct a transmission line with the values of those parameters. The parameter values, resistance value, inductive reactance value, capacitance value, length value, is it type. So that method of values of parameters can be used by using the two-port network analysis with the help of ABCD parameters. So what is a two-port network? A network which can consist of two ports, one input port and another output port. One input port having two terminals, output port having four terminals. That's why a two-port network is defined as a two-port network having two input and two output terminals. That network is called two-port network. And the network shown below has four terminals in which A and B represents the input ports, where C and D represents the output ports. Is it? So this is input port of the transmission line or two-port network, and this is output port of the transmission line or two-port network. So anyway, to analyze this transmission line or two-port network, this is the procedure. That is, first up, in order to analyze any transmission line, the sending end voltage equation and sending end current equation can be justified as Vs is equal to A into Vr plus B into IR. Is is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. These are the sending end voltage and sending end current in terms of ABCD parameters and receiving end voltage and receiving end current. Vs is the sending end voltage, Is sending end current, Vs receiving end voltage, IR receiving end current. These things are very well known. And from these two equations, which can be written in matrix form like this: Vs IR, A, B, C, D, Vr, IR. That means if we can determine ABCD values, we can easily determine Vs and IR. If Vs and IR can be easily determined, then finally we have to determine performance of parameters. Performance characteristics of parameter means percentage regulation. Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100 Vs is there, can be determined from ABCD parameters. IR can be determined from ABCD parameters. VR can be determined from ABCD parameters. IS can be determined from ABCD parameters. And transmission efficiency, receiving and power, VR IR cos phi r divided by Vs Is cos phi s. Output power by input power. Vs Is can be determined from ABCD parameters. IR Is can be determined from ABCD parameters. And sending and power factor, which is the angle between sending and power factor angle is the angle between Vs and Is. Receiving and power factor angle is the angle between VR and IR. So that means all these things are calculated by using ABCD parameter. Then now how to determine these ABCD parameters? That is important in here. See here, ABCD parameters for open circuit. That means here the output port of the transmission line or two-port network is open circuited, but the input port is short with the supply voltage, sending in voltage, but output port is open circuited, or that is at no load condition. What happens is IR is equal to 0. IR is equal to 0. If IR is equal to 0, in these equations, if IR is equal to 0, Vs is equal to A into VR and Is is equal to C into VR. That's why, see here, Vs is equal to A into VR. So what happened here? IR is equal to 0. Vs is equal to A into VR. IR is equal to 0. Is that? So that's why what happened here. Similarly, simply Vs is equal to A into VR. Then A is equal to Vs by VR. A is equal to Vs by VR at IR is equal to 0. Like this, we can calculate parameter A. And after, from the above equations, we get the values of parameter A, which is the ratio of sending end voltage to the receiving end voltage. It is a dimensionless constant because the ratio has the same dimension. Vs having volts, VR having volts. That's why there is no units or dimensions. Is that right? So then, similarly, if IR is equal to 0 is substituted in current equation, Is is equal to C into VR. Current equation is what? This equation. IR is equal to 0, Is is equal to C into VR. That means from this we can calculate C value. That means C is equal to Is into C into VR. C is equal to Is by VR. Then IR is equal to 0. Like this we can calculate C value. That means which is the ratio of sending end current to the receiving end voltage, which is a dimension quality, not a dimensional lesser. It's a dimension which has the dimensions because of the units of Is is amperes, voltage is volts, ampere per volt, simply mhos or Siemens. Units are Siemens. And in the next case, ABCD parameters for short circuit. That means the receiving end port is or output port is a short circuited. When output port is a short circuited, what happened? For short circuited, the voltage remains 0. That means when load is connected, short circuit, VR is equal to 0. Is it? So then, what happened? Vs is equal to, as for a basic formula, A into 0. VR is equal to 0. Vs is equal to 0 means Vs is equal to B into IR. That means B is equal to Vs by IR when VR is equal to 0. That means B is the ratio of sending end voltage to the receiving end current, which has dimensions, not a dimension less, because of the units for Vs is volt, IR is amperes. That means volt per ampere, V by I ohms. The units of B is ohms. And in the same manner, VR is equal to 0 is substituted in the current equation, that is Is, C into 0, D into IR, Is 0, D IR. That means D is equal to Is by IR at VR is equal to 0. That is D is the ratio of sending end current to the receiving end current. Is that right? Which has dimensional less quantity. That means same units. Is that? That is the thing. Like this, we can calculate A, B, C, D parameters. And from this, we have to frame the relations. What are those means? See here, ma. various types of network like passive or bilateral network. Reciprocity theorem is applied. ABCD two-port network follows reciprocity theorem, obeys reciprocity theorem. Why? Because of, see here now, when V is applied to the sending end and the receiving end is kept short circuited, so that voltage becomes 0 at receiving end. Now see here, that's why V is equal to V into IR1. That is first case, that's why IR. IS1, sending end current, in the basic expressions, when VR is equal to 0, these equations are obtained. But in the first case, that's why IR1, IS1 is equal to V into IR1. So similarly, voltage is applied at the receiving end and output input voltage remains 0. That means the sending end is short circuit. It is second case. That's why what happens? Vs is 0. Then the Vs is 0 when A into V minus B into IR. That means A into V is equal to B into IR2. Then IR2 is equal to A into V by B. Then minus IS2 is equal to the sending end current equation. C into Vs is equal to 0. When Vs is equal to 0. IR minus IS2 is equal to C into V minus B into IR. So then combining the above equations gives IS2 is equal to IR2. Then minus IR1 is equal to C into V minus D into AB by B. AB by B. Dividing the above equation minus V by B, we get minus IR1 by D by B. C into V by minus V by B minus D into A by A into V by V by V by B. Finally, we can solve this. AD minus BC is equal to 1. AD minus BC is equal to 1 means what happened? This is the relation obtaining from these conditions. This relation helps in determining the 4 parameters if we know any 3 parameters. AD minus BC is equal to 1. Is it? So for symmetrical network, the input and output terminals may be interchanged without affecting the network behavior. Reciprocity theorem is what? If the excitation can be changed at first time it is sending end side, second time it is receiving end side, the response is same. The response is same. That is the thing here. That's why IS2 is equal to IR. So then interchange affecting the network behavior. That's why V is equal to V IR1, ISN1 is equal to V IR1. From the ZS1 we can calculate V by IS. V by IS1 is equal to V by D. V by IS1, V by IR1 by D by IR1. IR1 get cancelled. V by D. ZS1 is equal to V by D. ZS2 is equal to V by IR2, V by A from the previous cases like this. So then ZS1 is equal to ZS2. Then B by D is equal to B by A. Then what happened here? What happened here? B by B is equal to D by A. B by B is equal to 1. D by A is equal to 1. That means A is equal to D. These are the relations between A, B, C, D parameters. What are those? Means A is equal to D as well as AD minus BC is equal to 1. These are the two relations between the ABCD parameters. By using these parameters, we can analyze the performance of medium transmission line, short transmission line, and a long transmission. Not only these parameters, by using these relationship between ABCD parameters, those relations are A is equal to D and AD minus BC is equal to 1. We can analyze the performance of transmission lines. Thank you.